In today's video, I will teach you how to make a pattern using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to turn into a pattern. Now, in the toolbar, right-click on the Quick Selection tool and select Magic Wand. With this, select the background and hold down Shift to add a separate part of the background. Now, press Shift-Ctrl-I to invert the selection. Make a new layer with only the subject selected by pressing Ctrl-J on your keyboard. You can now delete the original layer, and in the menu bar, open the Select tab and select All, or simply press Ctrl-A on your keyboard. In the menu bar, open the Edit tab and select Define Pattern. Rename your pattern and click OK once you're done. Now make a new file with your preferred resolution and size and fill it with the color of your choice. With the background layer selected, right-click on the layer and select Blending Mode. Here, enable the pattern overlay and change the pattern to the pattern that you've made. Now you can play around with the settings until it satisfies you. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.